Hi everyone!
Bonjour tout le monde. 안녕하세요.
Welcome to Have Your Jenny.
모노의 Paul.
My name is Catherine.
In our channel, on Monday we will give you a quiz, and then on Thursday we will choose the best comment, and then we will read it. So you can see who is the Aladdin.
The Aladdin will receive the gift card or Google card. For more details about the gift card, you can just click on the right upper side.
Let's start today's topic. Let's go. Today's topic is cats and dogs, and the quiz is
Who is more adorable, cat or dog?
nowadays the cats and dog is very familiar with human, right? There are a lot of people that are living together with their pets. Can you please explain simply about the cat and dog?
Dog is the first animal to become domestic. Since 30,000 years before, they started to live with humans and constantly evolved. And now there is 200 breeds. Amongst those breeds, the more preferred ones are the Labrador Retriever and Bulldog. The strongest physical abilities are the ability of smelling. It's 100,000 times more than human. The second one is hearing. The biggest strength is loyalty.
What about cat?
As you know, in the world they are the two main pets. So they also lived with humans for a long time. Now there is 71 breeds. The most preferred breed are American Shorthair, Persian Cat and Maine Coon. Their abilities are good balance and also climbing. Another funny ability is cats are liquid. Their bones are very flexible, so they can go everywhere in every small spaces.
So we prepared a lot of videos about those lovely cats and dogs. Let's see the videos. So first video is abilities of cats and dogs. Wow. Much better than the baby.
I think the cat is a little fearless because it can enter a tube without being afraid of not breathing. Also, it's very flexible, so I'm very impressed.
For the dogs, he followed the baby's behavior, right?
Yes.
One is much better than the baby actually.
Yes.
And then the baby also was shocked in the video. Hair is like helicopter, you know? Propeller. Yeah.
So the second video is about cuteness.
See his eyes.
So the first cat looked to enjoy the massage so much that it looks drunk. It looks like drunk.
Yeah. At the beginning, when I saw that video, I thought it's fake. It's
Yes,
not real.
me
Yeah.
too.
But I keep watching at it, and then it's real. The eyes is like bigger suddenly. He's drinking water with his hand. I thought it was like kind of smartness.
Yes.
Yeah, because he doesn't use his tongue to drinking water. He just uses the hand. Yeah.
Cats
so-
have very special behavior.
Have you ever seen this kind of behavior
Yes,
before?
one time.
Oh, just only one time.
Maybe second time. but it's not really common.
Oh. The owner said, "What do you want?" He's saying, "You need to say something, not just like doing like this. Just say something." And then, the owner said, "Do you want to have food? Wanna eat?" And then the reaction is the next one. Do you wanna eat? Yeah, suddenly it's like a tornado. and then she said again, and then she do it like this. So it's like, oh, one baby dog just playing with some tie.
It's very, very cute. It's like a little baby who play with a little string.
Not only for the dog and cats, all the babies are always cute, right?
Yes.
Yeah. The way to be loved by master is being smart. Yeah, this definitely smart. He's using his hand, the tool, to have water. This is so smart, right?
Yes.
He used his hand to touch the tool, which is a water purifier.
I think they try to do as like human did.
Come here, come here, in front of my hand. Sit down. Wait. Very cute.
The cat acts like a dog.
Oh yeah.
I never see a cat act like that because usually it's dogs. It wear a little jacket, so usually cats don't like that. So
Oh yeah.
he's really like
Mostly
a dog.
they don't listen their master saying, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, this one also very cute, right? Oh. The dog takes care of the baby very well. Oh, it's much better than the baby's mother.
I think dogs are really warm-hearted. They
Yeah.
take care of people really
Yeah,
like
it's like,
humans.
yeah. Oh. I think that kind of scene happened a lot in their family. Oh. Dun. You feel like they are dancing. see, his tail is shaking. Keep shaking. Finish. Oh, the bulldog doesn't have any tail.
Yes, I don't know why.
Maybe he was hiding it.
Maybe.
Yeah. 빠밤. 아이고 나 침 계속 튀겨. 괜찮나? video.
That's very funny because they do like in rhythm.
Yeah. Who's winner? Is it fighting?
I think it's playing.
They're friends. So
Yeah,
they're
I
playing
think
each other,
so.
dancing together. They're
Yeah.
dancing each other. Which one do you prefer between cats and dogs?
Of course, it's cats.
Okay, for me, of course, it's dog. What about subscribers?
So that's all for today's video. Please feel free to leave comments about which one do you prefer, cats or dogs. Thank you for watching it.
부부배 클릭해 샤로 부동 like and subscribe. See you on Thursday. Bye bye.